Welcome to LanguageMasters. My name is Alma.
My name is Gosia. We are the founders of LanguageMasters.
This location is super close to my work. It's 10 minutes walk, so after studying, I'm going back to work.
It's near Bahnhofstrasse, it's near lake. The location is perfect.
Despite my certainty that I would never be able to speak German, it's really been an amazing progress.
I think in every lesson it's getting better and better.
I can see my language developing quite quickly.
Tried before a few times. I live in Switzerland for 11 years now, and I never succeed. I think from the moment I started, I see very fast, I see the progress, and I feel very good to come. I really want to come to the school.
Du wirst sprechen müssen. Das wird gar nicht so einfach, aber das macht sehr viel Spaß.
Für mich ist wichtig, dass so viel wie möglich im Unterricht gesprochen wird.
Es gibt keine stillen Studenten bei mir.
We offer courses in a very small group of 3 to 6 students, which means a fast rate of progress and a lot of speaking.
For me, LanguageMasters is the best kind of atmosphere for learning a language because it feels like home.
The environment here is like a big family.
Bei LanguageMasters wirst du dich wohlfühlen.
This is a place where they treat you like friends and not like students.
We know every student in person, so you can be sure you are not a number with us.
They really cater to your needs and they try to listen to what you want.
Der Vorteil bei LanguageMasters ist, dass man wirklich individuell auf die Studenten eingehen kann.
They always ask in the end of a level that what exactly would you like as a next step? Would you like to have more conversation? Would you like to have more grammar?
They have been great with both me and Lenny, always very flexible and trying to accommodate us.
During 2 hours of Deutsch course, my son can play with a nanny, so that's super great.
I have more than 10 years of experience with kids. We play a lot of games. We have different games for different ages. Also for the babies, we have a space for babies as well. Kids enjoy to be here, and I'm sure that your kid will enjoy to be here as well.
They are not only offering different courses, but they offering activities. What I find extremely fantastic is when 2 foreigners are talking in German. We are just focusing on each other as people and not on the mistakes.
Wir haben auch Kurse, wo man kochen kann. Also hast du schon mal Zürich Geschnetzeltes auf Schweizerdeutsch gekocht? Ich glaube nicht.
I love LanguageMasters, the best school, best teachers, and best atmosphere.
LanguageMasters is a great school. I couldn't recommend it more.
LanguageMasters is a very great choice.
Don't hesitate, it's a very, very good school.
But yeah, I'm very happy with the school. Very, very happy, very happy.
LanguageMasters is super!
LanguageMasters, count on me. Come to LanguageMasters, it's the best.
We hope to see you soon at LanguageMasters. Bye!